Hope you're all having a fabulous day. This is an 88 Monte Carlo, and we have a starter issue. What it's doing is like, and it's not working. So I had the alternator tested, or I tested the alternator, and it's pushing like it should be. Battery's good. So that noise is from a failing starter. Now, what you could do is follow your positive cable from your battery, okay, and follow it all the way down, and then you will find the starter all the way down there. And let me tell you, this thing is huge. Hold on, I'll show you. Oh my goodness. This one right here, this is my baby right here. This thing is bigger than the Grand Canyon, and it's got to weigh at least 1,000 pounds. It's freaking ridiculous. But one good thing about this is, or looking on these older Chevys, is it's like 57 bucks, and it's a lifetime warranty, so that's what we picked up. Let's see, do we have a, I don't know if anybody wants this, but there's the number there. So, alright, well, alright, so I guess we'll get underneath there and see what kind of socket it is. I think it's a 9/16. But I think there's only like 2 bolts, then, you know, a couple wires or whatever. But this is just like surface rust and stuff. The car was sitting for, man, 8 years or so. So, but anyway, let's go underneath here and see what it is. And you know what's crazy? There's like no leaks in this thing. It's bizarre. Oh my land! How are we gonna get that out? That thing is humongous. So I'm trying to angle this perfectly. But it's right there. It's got to come out like through here, not so much here or here, but it's got to come out this way. So we have 1 bolt there, and the other one has got to be right there. Here's another one. Is there only 2? I hope. And this, golly, my camera angle here is ridiculous. Okay, see this? Dude, my eyes are going cross-eyed because this camera's so close. Holy, all right. I think there could be like corrosion on that wire. Maybe that would be causing it. I don't know, but for 57 bucks, might as well just get a new starter and replace it all. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Take this off, this bolt or nut, then take off that one and the one over there. All right. So, all right, I'm going. See ya. I found out they are 9/16. I got those 2 wires off there. And I forgot to mention, guys, before you do this, remove your battery cables. I know the power, or the positive, is coming down here. You don't want it to arc on anything. So disconnect your battery. So I got that one off. Now I got to worry about taking that one off and the other side over here. And I see there's another, jeez, there's another one behind it. I'm gonna take these 2 off first, then I'll worry about, see if I can get that one, because I need it to kind of turn to get it off. So, one good thing, it is a beautiful day. It's supposed to be like 65 and sunny. About time. All right, goodbye. Hey guys, I got like a whole bunch of crap in my eyeballs. All right, so there was no wire on this one, okay? There was 2 wires that go into this bigger one, and this one goes on this side. Hopefully this makes sense, but it's not hard at all. I'm just trying to explain it the best I can. I tried to take this one off here and it broke, so that was perfect. Made it easier for removal. Now, like I said, I try to get this out of here. I mean, it should. If it went in, it should come out. In theory, it should come out. So, you guys ever just work on your own cars and you're on the floor, you just want to take a nap? Yeah, about there. Well guys, I got the starter out. That was a pain in the ass. Trying to make it fit, you know, because that exhaust sits right there. But what I did is I took the solenoid off and I got it out that way. So I'm just hoping putting the other one in, I can do it. So okay. I got the old one out. Okay. Holy. Enough. And I got the new one in. The only hard part about this was trying to get that old one out. That one, it more or less just slid in. I mean, there was a little wiggle that I had to do, but other than that, it was perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and try to start it and see what happens. Hey, Dozer, look. Dozer, look. You want this? You stop it. Okay, hold on. Let me get up. Here we go.